This is Bryce.
Oh yeah.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
No idea.
This is Lucas. He's our video man. This is me. I'm the expert here.
Hey.
Go, dude. Right, if Bryce gets stung, zoom in on his face.
Yeah. I'm a pained expression.
Come in, Luke, and have a look at all those feeding. Cool. We're going to take this top layer off. Top box.
Bring it sideways onto there.
Good. That's good. They're pretty active now. Yeah. Right. They're not even interested in this side.
No, they're not, are they? They're just clustering in there. Almost 4 or 5 there. Keep them warm. That's all good. Should have fun out.
We're hoping to see a queen today, but the other thing is you can lose a queen too when you're picking them out.
Yeah, true, yeah.
I read. So yeah, do you want to pick one out?
Oh, there's a little bit of action on there.
So all
I'm holding those out.
That's all the syrup, all the sugar syrup in there.
Oh yeah, okay.
So that's good.
Yeah.
Other side, probably not much happening.
Much going on there.
At least it's starting to build it out.
Yeah, it is.
Nah, leave it as is. So still we've just got sugar syrup, packing out all those cells.
So it's actually the sugar syrup inside those cells?
Yeah, so you can see the shiny ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're just storing that at the moment. This side looks a bit better.
It does. A little bit of action going on in there, isn't there?
So in here we've got that pollen happening.
Yeah.
There's a lot of pollen here too.
Oh man, look at that. Oh, she's a beauty. They're hard at work.
Oh, they opened up a big gap for us to have a look. Nice. What's up with all this pollen, eh? Looking for a queen? Doing a good job, Luke.
Yeah.
Bring it around so it's flat, looking straight in on it. Oh, meant the camera. Met the cameraman work, Bryce.
He's got some pollen on his legs there.
Yeah.
Check out this dude over here, Luke. Just by my thumb. See that? Just carrying around a bit of pollen.
You might need to pull back. I don't know if the camera will go that close, will it? Oh, maybe
You can
it does.
see the pollen.
Oh, good, good. Keep going then. Do what you're doing. That's a really yellow wax, eh? In the middle there. There's no sign of... Oh, there's eggs in there, bro.
Where?
See all those where there's a gap? They're tiny. There's a little white dot right in the centre.
Oh, okay.
And they're queen eggs.
In there?
Yeah, can you see the little white dots? Little tiny little line in the middle?
Where?
Tiny.
No.
So, yeah. Just get hold of that. So all those ones are all got eggs in them.
Sweet.
Can you see that, Luke?
All the white lines go down.
Yeah, tiny little white lines, and they're right in the centre where they're meant to be, which is cool. So let's have a little peek for a queen, maybe.
Yeah.
Any luck?
There's some pollen.
Yeah.
Some.
No idea about a queen.
No.
Other side.
Maybe. Should we have a look?
Spin it over.
Look at this side. Oh, there's a crushed bee. That would be my big fat hands. I'll let that out. That's not cool. Do they have eggs? These ones?
There's some pollen.
Yes, these have all got eggs
Oh,
too.
check out that one. See, I think he's feeding
Yep.
thing down there, isn't he?
Yep.
That's quite cool. Oh, hey, there we go. There's a queen right there.
Oh, don't lie. Where? Holy crap! Well done, Bryce.
Hey, we
Can
got
you
it.
see it?
Yes.
Man, we got a queen.
What a fluke, Bryce.
Right, it's just
Why
these
is it you?
eagle eyes, mate.
Eagle eyes. Well done. Are you following it, like?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, cool.
I'm following
Yeah,
something.
yeah. No, you got it.
Good boy. Hey, good looking.
She's just checking out everyone's doing a good job.
Long, draggy bum on it, eh?
Yeah.
See how she just stays down and everyone just gets out of her way? Uh oh, we don't want her getting out here. So I'm going to put that back. Oh, she's heading back down. No, she's not. I'll just clear some.
Oh,
wow.
look at that. Oh, we are in action. Yeah, they're working hard.
Cool, eh? What we might do is, shall I take some of these frames and we'll centralise it a bit? I have no idea if that's wrong or right. It sounds good.
Oh, you're just going to slide them across.
Yep. Not without your one going in there first, so they're still in the same order they're used to. But I'll bring some of the bare ones onto this side.